what's I'm going to be doing today. I'm really asleep, so I'm going to be using my iPhone light. I do not want to use the real light because if I use that, then my brother might come or might get awake. So I am doing a fidget spinner unboxing, and that's it. My fidget spinner that I have. Sorry how I'm gonna edit my video up, like my volume up, but what we have here is my fidget spinner. Right here. This is the fidget spinner right here, and it says try me. And I'm gonna unbox this. I also have some water. Stay hydrated, kids. Not important. What is important is this is a Firefly spinner. Hold on. Here. Firefly spinner, and it lights up. That is the main thing. Try me. Of course, we've already reviewed the try me part, and let's unbox it. As much as the light to my face as possible. So yeah, let's unbox this fidget spinner. Yeah, it lights up, as you can see. It's actually pretty cool. I bought it yesterday, and it is awesome. So let's just open it. And on this, it says customize your own stunt. I'm going to try to customize your own stunt. So, right there. And, or create, but it's also customize. There we go, it's open. So, yeah. Oh, and then there's plastic here, which you can take out, and then there is the fidget spinner. I'm not sure how this is gonna make your own stunt with this, but I'm not sure. Okay, I'll try to spin this. We don't need this. We don't need this either. We don't need this. Yay! Ow, that out of the way. Let's try the spin test. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm dimming the lights. Let's see it in darkness. Darkness. In complete darkness, let's see this. You can find your lost things in here. Whoa, that looks so cool on camera. Oh. And it feels so weird. Like, look at this. It's so fat. Okay, let's see what will happen when we take off the middle parts. Let's see what will happen. Once again, now. Oh god. We got it on. Alright. Let's take off the middle parts. I'm not sure how I'm gonna... Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, look at that. Look at that bearing. Oh my god, it's so off balance. But these are the parts that are in. This is the one where you go like this. And then this is the one where you just let go of. Or you can also go like this, which is the hard part of this fidget spinner. But there was loads of fidget spinners of this. There's like a green color. There's like loads of colors in that store, but... where I got this from. But yeah, this is the fidget spinner that I got right there. I'm gonna dim the lights again because I want to. Yeah, we are in complete darkness, but watch this. As soon as I do that, look at how cool it looks on camera. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna probably slow-mo this.
Look at that! Look at that!
Sick. Boom! Turns the opposite way. I hit that one hard here, so I'm not sure if it's gonna do anything anymore. See what happens when I shake it. Yeah, that looks weird. It went out. Okay, I'm gonna spin that one-handed. Well, on the lights again. Yeah! Let's go. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button down below. You can get these fidget spinners basically at any place that you can get a fidget spinner. I'm not sure any place, but most places you can. I even forget where I bought this, so you guys need to go buy it wherever you can, and just do it. Just do it. Alright, well, stay tuned, everybody. See you next video. Bye-bye. Oh, wait. Subscribe to post notifications to become a part of the Gamers Squad. Also, like the video, comments. When we have 40 subscribers, I will do a 3 AM challenge live. Don't forget that. I will also be doing a giveaway. So, yeah, stay tuned for the live stream, which you'll probably not watch it because it's 3 AM. But, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.